In this video, I'll show you how to run Facebook ads in Business Manager step by step. First, open Meta Business Suite and sign in to your Facebook account. Select your business portfolio, then open Ads Manager. Click Create. To start a new ad campaign, choose your campaign objective, such as awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, or sales, depending on your goal. Next, set your budget, schedule, audience, and the locations where you want your ads to appear. Choose the Facebook page and Instagram account you want to use. Then, create your ad by adding an image or video, primary text, headline, and call to action button. Preview the ad to make sure everything looks correct on different placements. Review your budget, audience, and payment information, then click Publish to submit the campaign for review. Meta will review the ad before it starts running. After it's live, use Ads Manager to monitor results such as reach, clicks, engagement, and conversions. That's how you can create and run Facebook ads using Meta Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.